Did you know a truck drove itself for 200 miles while completely empty? In January 2019, a motorist passed a commercial truck on Alaska's Dalton Highway at mile marker 47. The driver looked completely normal behind the wheel, but surveillance cameras revealed something impossible. For the next 200 miles, that same truck continued driving perfectly down the 414-mile route. The problem? The cab was completely empty. No stops, no accidents, no exits from the deadly remote highway. Investigators found the driver's personal belongings still inside, untouched. The GPS showed route deviations through terrain no human could navigate. The driver had simply vanished while the truck kept driving. To this day, nobody knows how.